Hi, my name is Jennifer Purdue, and welcome to 518 Huntley Drive in West Hollywood, California.
Set behind gates is this private residence designed with the finest finishes and amenities. Upon entering, you will find an enchanted olive garden with lounge area, fire pit, and water feature. Inside, the gourmet kitchen is outfitted with custom Italian cabinetry, a large custom island, and gaggenau appliances. Downstairs offers an open concept living space. It has pocket doors which lead to a superb outdoor entertaining area with custom pool and spa. All surrounded with lush hedge and foliage to create the ultimate private escape. Back inside, you will find 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus an office. Upstairs, you can relax on one of 4 private patios. Each patio accented with lush potted plants and speakers providing additional outdoor living spaces. Walk into an impressive master suite, highlighted with fleetwood sliding doors leading to 2 outdoor patios. This master bedroom comes equipped with motorized blackout shades, surround sound indoor-outdoor speakers, a walk-in shower, a large soaking tub, and provides the ultimate in comfort and luxury. Additional features in this home include a doorbird entry system, Lutron smart system, Sonos built-in speakers, outdoor heaters, and security cameras. This exquisite property is located just minutes from Beverly Hills, yet perfectly situated steps from West Hollywood's favorite dining and shopping.
Thank you for visiting my listing at 518 Huntley Drive in West Hollywood. Please feel free to visit my website at jenniferpurdue.com for additional information or to set up a private viewing.